GI Clean. We're on site in Winter Park doing a pressure washing job of wood fencing. We can do your pavers, we can do your sidewalks, but we also do pressure washing for pavers and also wood. So this is going to be getting sealed, and we had to get some pressure washing done before it gets sealed. We've got to do all of this fencing all the way around. Has to get sprayed so it can be sealed and primed and painted. So we've got to do all of that fencing. So there's special care that goes so we don't damage the flowers, any of the shrubbery. So if you need GI Clean to come out and you need an area pressure wash, we take the utmost care and pride in your property and what needs to be done. We are licensed and insured here in Orange County, Florida. So give us a call. My name is Anthony. This is GI Clean. I'm gonna go give you a quick look at what's going on now. We're staying about 12 to 14 inches off of the panels. All right, so that's a look into what we're doing, and I'll show you our setup. We have the 4-gallon a minute Honda 4,000 PSI pressure washer, the 200-gallon tank, the 300-foot hose reel, and we're using the Dodge ProMaster 1500 series vehicles. Once again, in case you couldn't hear me, that was the 4-gallon a minute Honda pressure washer with the 300 feet of hose reel, and we're just connecting to their water, and we're taking care of it just like that. We're in beautiful Winter Park. You can see the jets flying over. But if you need that service, give us a call, 407-705-3403. You can visit us on the web, gi-clean.com, and get your pressure washing set up now for the holidays.